Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the TV and getting online because Google services require an active connection. Once the TV is on, press Home and open Settings to join your Wi-Fi network. This enables Play Store access and app installs. Make sure you sign into your Google or MI account in Settings so permissions and sync work. Once done, navigate to the Apps/Store area. This prepares the system to either open a pre-installed browser or install Google Chrome. Next, install or access a browser so you can open Google.com. Open the Play Store on the TV and search Chrome, install it and grant runtime permissions. If the Play Store is unavailable on your Xiaomi model, enable unknown sources briefly via security settings and use a verified APK through a USB stick or the downloader app. Take care to only sideload from trusted APKs. Once installed, the browser will appear under Apps. This step gives you a full-featured interface to navigate to Google. Finally, open Chrome or the TV browser and type Google.com to load the site. Sign into your Google account if you want search history and sync. Make Google your homepage or add a bookmark for quick access. If the page won't load, check Wi-Fi signal and restart the TV, then clear the browser cache or update Google Play services and Chrome. If a persistent issue remains, uninstall and reinstall the browser or verify your account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.